Ingredients for preparing dates milk: dates 8 to 9 seedless dates, 1 cup of milk, cardamom 7 to 8 pieces, 1 cinnamon. Now take out the seeds from the cardamom by crushing the cardamom and add it to the blender and add the cinnamon. Let's grind and make into a powder. Now the powder is ready. Take a pan and keep it on low flame and pour half a cup of milk into it. And now add the de-seeded dates into the pan. Make sure that all the dates are soaked within the milk. Now stir the contents well. Also do check in between that the dates are cooked well so that the consistency is very soft. Cook it in low flame for about 10 minutes. Also, if needed, we can change the flame to high and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. And once the dates turn soft, we can put off the stove and let it warm. And now transfer it to a mixer or a blender and grind it to a paste. Now take a pan and keep it on low flame and add 1 cup of milk, and I'm adding 2 teaspoons of powdered cardamom and cinnamon. And once the milk reaches the boiling point, let's add the dates paste which we grinded earlier and stir it well. This drink is very helpful in curing cough and cold. Also, it aids in improvising our bone strength. Now the hot dates milk is ready.